extremely wide, extremely cheap. We should talk about it. Viltrox 9mm for APS-C cameras. Today I'll show you why this lens is amazing, but also why it could ruin your photos if you are lazy. Today I'm not gonna talk about specs of this lens and all this technical stuff. I believe you can find all the technical reviews of this lens on the internet or on YouTube. There are plenty of them. My goal is to try this lens for landscape photography specifically. It's stupid AM. The temperature actually is about 0 degrees Celsius. It's freezing cold. Many photographers think I'll buy a wide-angle lens to fit everything to my frame. And actually this is a big mistake. I need to explain what I mean, right? I'm not sure about the optical reasons for that, but pretty much every wide-angle lens has some kind of distortion on the corners of the frame. That means any object situated on the corner appears bigger than you can see it by your eye. And using wide-angle lens for landscape photography is tricky because of that. But we can and we should use this distortion for our profit. I spent 20 minutes outside and I already can't feel my fingers. Yeah, it's extremely cold. You know why wide lens is hard? Because it's so wide and everything in your frame looks tiny. The biggest river in Europe looks like a small fishing pond. And if you just stay and shoot, everything looks boring. This video isn't sponsored. I have bought this for my own money. Thanks for your donations, guys. And for obvious reasons, I'm certain that Viltrox is unaware not only that I'm making this video, but also on my existence in general. However, Viltrox, if you are watching, please contact me. To make this lens work, you need to be brave, you need to get closer. If you don't worry scratching your front lens, you're not close enough. Don't touch my tripod. With a normal lens, I look for a view. With this Viltrox, I look for the textures on the ground. I spend more time on my knees when looking at the sunrise. I caught a cold while filming this video, so I'm finishing it up after a 2-week break. Let me point some pros and cons about Viltrox 9mm. First of all, it's pretty light and its sharpness is decent. And couple of cons: there is no image stabilization on this lens and the focus could breathe sometimes. But you know what? I don't care, because it costs 199 bucks. The link is in description down below. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this lens. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao for now.